Hi, I'm Bob Larson. I'm with 50 Plus Media Solutions, and I'm here today at the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. With me, I have Peter Weir, who is the District Attorney for Jefferson County. Welcome, Peter.
Thanks, Bob. It's great to be here. Thank you for taking the time to speak with us.
You bet. Glad to have you. So, Peter, tell me a little about your passion about Senior Law Day.
This is a great event, and it is a highlight of the year for us with respect to all the efforts and support that we try to give the seniors in our community. I believe very, very strongly that we have a responsibility to our elder citizens in the community, both with respect to protecting them from predators that are out there that are trying to target and focus on them and potentially make them victims, while also educating them, letting them know what kind of resources are available in our office and other offices and other programs within our community. It's a great event, and it's just a great opportunity for so many involved organizations to come together and provide an opportunity to educate our senior citizens and their families. I want to encourage everybody to come out. It's not just for seniors, it's for all family members that perhaps have some aging parents or grandparents. We very much believe that information is power, and the more information that we can give to everyone involved, the better off we all are. I'm very, very proud that my office is sponsoring the Senior Law Day. As I say, we don't do this by ourselves. This really is a collaboration among many, many agencies and businesses that share our commitment and our concern about our elder citizens. So it's a wonderful event, and we'd encourage everybody to come visit and sign up and really take advantage of what we have to offer.
Okay, I'm here with Cary Johnson, and he's the Director of the Crime Prevention Program. Welcome, Cary.
Thanks, Bob. Glad to be here.
Tell us a little bit from your perspective about Senior Law Day, because you're the committee chairman, correct?
I'm the committee chairperson. We've got a wonderful committee of folks that put this event together. Just great expertise that comes together to make it happen.
So let's talk a little bit about the classes you're offering this year.
Well, again, we want to provide information that is of legal benefit to older adults. So there are all those courses that are legally based. Avoiding probate, wills and trust, conservatorship and guardianship, powers of attorney, end-of-life planning. Those are all things that have legal components that seniors need to hear about and need to be prepared for. There's a track that the district attorney's office feels strongly about that is a crime prevention track, and that track will be identity theft prevention, investment fraud prevention, and then prevention about all of these prevalent scams. And then we have some classes that are more medically related. We have an expert on Medicare, Medicaid that comes out and answers some of those legal issues and legal dynamics for older adults as well.
Let's talk about the exhibitors. I'm sure you're having a lot of exhibitors there in different categories. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Well, we'll have about 50 vendors. We always want our seniors and their families to know this is a no-selling event. So we have a lot of representation from the public service sector. We have all of our law enforcement and agencies in Jeffco come. We have some of the state service agencies that represent seniors come. And then there are some for-profit groups that are out there that we think provide wonderful services for seniors that they need to hear about.
Okay, great. Well, let's talk a little bit about the lunch time. I know seniors like to eat, so I'm assuming you're having lunches again this year, right?
Well, we feed the seniors really well. They start off with breakfast, and then they get a snack at mid-morning, and then we feed them a lunch after that. We're good about offering a variety of lunches. We'll have vegan lunches. We'll have gluten-free lunches. I think we cover about every lunch need that's possible.
Sure. So with that, you're offering door prizes again this year?
Oh my gosh, we have so many giveaways, Bob. It's unbelievable.
Well, let's talk a little bit about the cost of the Senior Law Day.
Well, the cost is $10. So they're getting a pretty good deal to get breakfast, snack, lunch, all of this wonderful information. And then at the end of the day, if they're willing to turn back an evaluation to us, we also provide them with the 2016 Senior Law Handbook that is published by the Colorado Bar Association. Has articles written in layperson's terminology that addresses about every issue that we'll talk about that day and issues beyond that. Plus, I always want to say this. We we have a slot on our registration form, and we really mean this. It says, I'd like to attend, but I can't afford to pay the $10. And we're fine with that. We'll, ask our vendors to help pick up that cost. But we want folks to get the information and to be there. That's the bottom line. So if the $10 would keep them from coming, we want them to check that box and come anyway.
Sure. So let's talk about where you're going to have it at this year.
All right. We're holding it at the same place that we did last year, Colorado Christian University. To find it easily, Wadsworth and Alameda Parkway. And we like this location because it's so central to Jefferson County. And I also want to remind them, the date is June 4th.
Yes.
Saturday, June 4th,
Thank you.
from 8 until 1 p.m.
So how do people register for this event anyway?
Okay, there's a couple of ways. We've been getting flyers out for the last couple of weeks. We'll have something on our website where folks can go and get that information.
Why don't you give us the phone number and we'll put it on the screen as well.
Okay, I'll do that. 303-271-6970. 303-271-6970.
Okay, folks, there you have it. We'll look forward to seeing you at the Jefferson County Senior Law Day this year. And Cary, thank you very much.
All right, thanks, Bob.